Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting ready for my friend's birthday dinner. I started my shower and I'll be showing you guys some of the product that I use in my shower. So I love the scrub from Dove. It's the pomegranate scent. It leaves my skin very smooth after I use it, so I love using it in my shower. I use it about every 3 days, so my body is nice and smooth. Next, then I use a shower gel from Native Body Wash. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but in the coconut vanilla. And this smells so good, like I don't even know. And if you have sensitive skin like me, I usually go ahead and rinse with this sensitive Dove soap. But don't forget to wash your feet, clean your legs, because it is very important. I do get my nails done every month, so I get my callus remover every month, but in between my shower I usually use this little sponge to clean my leg. I got this from TJ Maxx and it's pretty affordable. I was pretty much rushing through this process. Even my hair, I was rushing, so I will be showing you the product that I use for my hair and a quick install, how I install my closure wigs. But these two products, I love to combine them together. But I love using both my body oil and my body butter together right after my shower, because I feel like it moisturizes my body way better. But that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my hair. So this is the wig I'm gonna wear, and it's a curly bob wig. I'm just gonna throw it on. I'm gonna use these two products to install the hair. It's gonna be a quick and easy installation. So I'm putting this here. I need something to hold my hair back. So this is how I install my wig whenever I'm going out. If it's not glued, I don't like gluing my wig. I will have a full video how I install, my everyday installation for my wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair back and I'm gonna spray. Very easy. Make sure this is center. Spray, spray, spray. And then while I do that, I like to get my mousse and take my baby hair out. So like that, I don't have to go back and do my baby hair. It's done before my makeup. Put a little mousse in my hair so it could stay in place. I'm also gonna put it on the lace just because this is, I don't know what's going on here. So I'm gonna spray one more time so it can go on my baby hair just a little bit. Okay, this needs to be like this. That's how it needs to be. So it's not tight enough. The key thing of keeping your lace down is having a band, an elastic band. So I have this from Zbedgineshop. So as the hair, I'm just gonna go ahead after I spray. I'll make sure my baby hair is good because I don't want to come back to it. Oh my god, it's killing me today. It's killing me today. Okay, stay down please. Like this. So it's nice and flat. I'm gonna go ahead and spray one more time just because I took too long. So I didn't realize my microphone went out. It was dead. But for the lace band, make sure you put it more on the lace, not on your skin, so it doesn't leave the white residue on your skin after you lift the lace. I mean the band. But you guys will see what I'm talking about when I'm lifting it. But I started correcting my dark circle. I will have a video of how I do my everyday makeup, so like that I can show you guys how I cover my dark circle. But I'm using this foundation from Tarte. I do my concealer before I do my foundation. I will be explaining it more in the next video, but it works for me. and I hope it works for you as well. I got this hack from a girl from TikTok. She was explaining how you should use your concealer before your foundation. It actually worked, but in this video I was using the wrong shade. I was supposed to use this shade before my foundation, not after, but life happened. Then I go ahead and add my powder. I usually do my eyebrow before, but I was running late, so I was trying to film this video at the same time, you know. So for my eyebrow, I usually use a pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera because it's a lot. I probably have a separate video for this as well. Then I go ahead and move on to my eyeshadow. If you know me, you know I use this eyeshadow, these two colors every time. I mean, it's my go-to color. I use this light brown and I use the dark brown in the corner just to like smooth it a little bit. I'm not really big in doing my makeup. I'm just doing my thing here. But for my lashes, I did it off camera, and I also used the hair glue because I don't like the residue that the lash glue leaves on my eye. So I'm using this Fenty Beauty powder for my contour. And yeah, I mean, next I think I'm gonna go ahead and lift the bend. This is the white residue I was talking about before. I didn't want to come back to my baby hair, and this is what happened when you put it right on top of your baby hair. Do not do that. Put it on the lace more towards your hair so you don't have to come back to your baby hair. I hate this process. We'll have to go back and clean it and then do my baby hair again because it gets messy with the foundation. You don't want that. So that's my tip. Then I went up and finished my contour. I added some blush and some highlighter. This highlighter is from this company. They reached out to me on Instagram. It's called Hipdot. I love this color. I forgot the name of the color. I'm probably gonna add it on the screen, but I've just been using it since then. It sits so pretty on top of my blush, so I use it pretty much every time I do my makeup. And like I said, I did my eyelashes off camera, but I did added my mascara and my waterline. I like a dark waterline, so this is the glue that I use and my setting spray. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my outfit. I got this outfit from Amazon. The link will be down below if you guys are interested. You guys can click down below and you'll find the product there. I was debating if I should have my pants in or out. I pretty much went with the in because the out was not looking right. I added some jewelry, paired it with my Guess bag, and that was my outfit. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.